All right. So step number 2 is I'd like to ask you to insert a compressor, specifically the LA2A at the top of the rack there.
Okay.
And I'd like you to insert the compressor so that the compression is actually recorded to radar. So you'll be compressing your tone to tape.
Okay. Got a couple patch cords here. So I'm going to be grabbing the channel insert send of channel 17 where my source fader is, and take that to the input of the LA2A, and then I come out of the output of the LA2A back to the channel insert return of channel 17 as well.
That was all done in rows E and F.
All right.
Great.
And then I'll come back to the console, insert it using the insert switch
On module
17.
Okay.
And then to go ahead and prove that it's being recorded onto track 22, I could grab the output gain of the LA2A, and I could watch radar as I do this, bring down the output, and it stops signal from getting to the radar. A little bit of noise on that, but there it is. And bring it back, and that's proof that it's inserted and being recorded.
Okay. And just to recap on that, whoops, sorry about the zoom there. My zoom just went nuts. In order to record the compression onto track, oh, the light glare is terrible. In order to record the compression onto track 22 of the radar, you had to insert the compressor on the source module 17.
Correct.
Nicely done.
All right.